Are you looking for a skincare to make sure that your hands are soft and supple? So our hands are something which do so much for us. They are the most used part of the body, but still they're overlooked the most. We don't really take care of them and then we regret it later. So hi, I'm Dr. Jaspreet from CureSkin. I have wide experience in treating skin and hair disorders, and today we'll be talking all about hand skincare. So in day-to-day activities, our hands are used the most in our body, and they come in contact with a lot of irritants, and nowadays because of the COVID situation, we've been sanitizing so much, it can lead to a lot more dryness, and we touch so many surfaces throughout the day, and a lot of bacterial infection can also be present. So it's very important that your hands are well taken care of. While washing your hands, also make sure that you're not using very hot water. You can use lukewarm if you prefer it on the hotter side, but otherwise cold water is as good as hot water. The reason cold water works better is because it can avoid any extra dehydration or dryness that can be present because of the hot water usage. So moisturizing is something which is as important as washing your hands. So maybe you go to the washroom, or maybe if you are just eating, we do prefer to wash our hands before these activities or after the activity. It's very important to moisturize. Make it a routine that at the same time, while after washing your hands, you're using the moisturizer as well. Or maybe if you can carry a hand cream with you, you can apply it whenever necessary. So that's very important because lifestyle factors, sun, humidity, everything really triggers dryness even more. So use a good sunscreen. Maybe these signs won't show up when you are young: pigmentation, aging spots, dryness, chappy hands. But once you get older, they are very visible and on your hands because of the ultraviolet damage. So it's very important that proper usage of sunscreen is followed, not only for face but at the same time your neck area and your hands as well. That's because sun's ultraviolet radiation does not really discriminate between your face skin or your hand skin. It's going to damage your hands as much as it's damaging your face as well. So that's the very important another pillar of skincare regimen for your hands. Now my favorite part, that is give your hands a star treatment at the night time. After you've done with your skincare routine for the face, you can just maybe spare 2 minutes more for your hands and moisturize them thoroughly, massage them with your own hands itself, and maybe put on gloves for a while. And in case if you have time, you can go for a proper manicure at home with just taking care of your nails, hands, and scrubbing them properly and moisturizing them, followed by wearing gloves for some time. Wearing gloves because it really helps in keeping the moisture in and really helps in preventing the dryness, especially in winters. So these are absolute basics for hand care skin regimen. It's very important that you follow a good sunscreen regimen, at the same time moisturizing, and obviously taking care and once in a while pampering your hands. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. In case if you have any questions or queries, you can put up in the comment section and we'll try to answer most of them. Thank you.